In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to turn an image into an ad video with AI. And this is the result of this tutorial. So first of all, we need to go to Novo Ads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the image section. Here we're going to create the image that then we're going to use to create the video. And well, as you can see here, I was preparing this tutorial and I used this image to create this video. So well, now here we have to paste the following prompt. This is a prompt that is going to be in the comment section, and this prompt is designed for a serum that, well, is this one. Now we have to go to reference, and here we need to upload the image of our product. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we're going to change the model to GPT Image 2. Then the quality, we're going to use the medium quality, and here, and now we have to click here. Now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Here we have the images, so now we have to choose the one we like the most. Now we have to go to the video section, and here we need to go to settings. Here we can use the model Seedance 2.0 or Clink 3.0. Personally, I like more Clink 3.0 to make UGC videos in English. So I'm going to use this model, and now here I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt, as well as the other, are going to be in the comment section. Now I'm going to click here, and here we need to upload an image of the girl. Well, the one that we downloaded. So now we have to click here, and finally in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes.
Friend, I've been using this vitamin serum for 2 weeks, and look at Kat, how my skin looks. My dark spots have faded, it's brighter and smoother. If you want that natural glow, this is it. Link in my profile.
Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it.
Friend, I've been using this vitamin serum for 2 weeks, and look at Kat, how my skin looks. My dark spots have faded, it's brighter and smoother. If you want that natural glow, this is it. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. The video looks really realistic and the quality is amazing. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try Novo Ads AI for just $1. And remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section. So well, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.